Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Tyronia Hotseat. Of course, we are the Holy Scottish Kingdom of Rotherham. Let's get into it. It is turn 15. We have a little bit to do here. We have a message here. I've already read this, but I'll read it again for the sake of entertainment. Message received by Otto von Grung, that guy, and related to Macbeth coming. I really still don't know how. I'm going to Macbeth. We've begun our march towards Castle, but we have not spotted any army of which you speak, but I trust your intelligence and will scout in the coming weeks, following the siege to come. On another night, since you'll be marching and plundering the heart of my soon-to-be former ally, I would move to take Terra as well, since it is a small town. Comfortably cast out would be barely equal that of Sun's glory, of course, but of course you remember Chisholm would be yours as well. It only seems fair that if more of my men died to ensure your victory is captured, at least I would know that we would get some compensation for it. I had sent a message to the Spanish Inquisition as well. I welcome the proposition to know that Grand Express would be glad to hear new discovery of more civilized people on the mainland. May our nations prosper. Signed, Arias de Vitoria. Good deal. So we have trade rights and affirmation with him. He also has this place, but he must have took it before that message went through. So we now have a trade with him. Once he builds roads here, we should be able to easily trade, eat better with this place. The army of which Barry Knight was talking about is right here. It's commanded by Robert. He has quite the force, but what I realize is we can combine these armies here together, and we can have a full army here. Now, I probably will hold off taking the capital for now because they have quite the force there. And I believe he moves slow because I believe he has a ballista in this army. So what I'm going to do is combine these armies together, and we will sit here, and we will head towards Tear. I will message Barry Knight back.
Yes, my king.
I will message Barry Knight back in a private message, just because I don't want to bore him with the. I don't want to bore you guys with the details of the message. I'll message him back that way. This guy was moving here to. Still building that there? Yes, we are. This guy's moving to build some watchtowers. Let's continue to him to do so. Let's not go to watchtower yet. Let's wait till we get about right here. It's building a market here. Should probably focus on this place. We need to get a small chapel because we need to get some priests out. So I'm thinking here we build a small chapel. But as well, it'd be good to get a mustering hall or foyer or something. Maybe a Deerwood, because we really don't have anything here, and this is like our forward attack place for attacking England, so. Not sure. We don't have a ton of money, and I'm thinking I want to save my money for at least one turn. If we build something, let's see, what's the most prosperous settlement? Third prosperous is Highguard, of course, that makes sense, and it's already building something. Second most is Canmore Keep, which isn't building anything, so we probably should build something here. Actually, we definitely should, because it really doesn't have anything here. Let's look at the settlement details. If we build this, a lot from taxes and trade here. This is a prosperous settlement. It has potential to be, anyways. Actually, here I realize if we look in the settlement building browser, it can build mines here. And the mines here are worth a lot. So we should save here and build a castle here, I think. So we'll save for a turn. We'll construct a castle here for those mines because they have silver and such there. That's what we'll do, yeah. So not spending any gold this turn, saving up our gold. It's a risk to do so, but we need to do it. So I'm going to move this guy back down. Well, no, let's leave him there because he's our kind of a spy right now. And the English don't see him, so that's totally fine. As long as the English don't attack us, we'll be okay. He can't reach us. Hopefully he doesn't move towards Tear, because that would be a problem. Hopefully towards Castle. I would defeat the army if... I would help Barry Knight defeat that army if we could attack together on the same turn, but we can't. So it would have to be like AI, and I have my factionary and my king in here, and that is too much of a risk to do so. So I'm not going to risk the AI taking control of this army. This is not the best army right now. I'm working on that, of course, with a drill square. And
Fleet ready.
agent here, we need to move this fleet towards. I can't go out in the open water there. Okay, so we got to go this way.
Aye, Captain.
Okay.
We cannot sail further today.
And we'll get some map information with him, and then we'll land around here. We'll head towards Russia. Some map information with those two factions. As far as the balance of power goes, we are middle of the pack still. Military hasn't really gone anywhere, but I realized in the ranking scroll, if we look at human factions, there it is, human factions. Overall, we're down here. Basically, I said middle of the pack. We're pretty much at everybody else. Russia has kicked up somehow. Militarily, though, we are doing pretty well. We're doing a lot better than we were. We've kicked it up. I want to keep kicking it up further to where these two are heading. And I take a while to get to where they are, but if I keep kicking it up, I'm doing well. I'm right here with Spain and Venice right now. Production, we're doing okay. Territory, we're still there. Financials all over the place. That's going to go up because we're going to save our gold, of course. And population doesn't really mean anything. But overall, though, we're doing all right, and I'm fine with that. So, the college cardinals. Anybody else? No, it's just one cardinal. I don't even have a priest yet. I'm working on that. I will build a. If I could just build a small chapel, and let me a small chapel. Let me get a priest. Oh, a regular chapel does. That's 16,000 florins. Okay. Well, if we save up for the castle here at Edward's Gate, we should have enough to build that and the chapel there, which I might do. Because once we take this place, I'll sack it. We'll get a lot of money from this if I can take this. I should be able to with this army here. It's a pretty powerful army. Could build a fort. I'm not going to do that because it's not really any immediate threat right now.
I am a warrior, not a
I don't think
diplomat.
Philip's army can defeat me, so
One of your own captains, Lord.
I believe that is the whole turn. We have to build a small chapel in Malcolm's Watch. That is our quest right now, or mission rather. It's not really worth doing it though because it's just the Pope. So, so yeah, unless I get like a message about the St. John's Mitre Chap House or any one of those guilds or whatever, then I should have the money to build a small chapel here and a chapel here, and a castle in Edward's Gate, so I can get those mines there. It's a very important province. That's why I moved to take it so quick. I knew I wasn't going to be able to get this if I went for this, but these both equally as equal money makers. So, anyways, that is a turn. I'm gonna end it off there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Wasn't that eventful, but the next couple of turns will be once we attack England with that monster army that we have there. I say monster army, it just looks powerful. It's really not powerful at all. It's just a bunch of rabble. But with our prince and our king in that same army, it's a risk, but it's a risk I have to take to get up to where I need to be. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you check out everybody else's channels in the description below, and see you next time.